chapter. The name of the chapter is Quadratic Equations. We will see that what is quadratic equation. A quadratic equation is called as an equation of an algebraic expression whose one of the unknown variables power is 2. It's called a quadratic equations. Now in our syllabus in class 10, we got 4 points to solve a quadratic equation. So the points are: number 1, nature of the roots; number 2, solve by factor method, that is by factorization method, and one is solved by squaring method, and another one is by quadratic formula, that is with the discriminant formulas. Now first we will see the nature of the roots. What are the nature of the roots? We find 3 types of nature of roots. Say suppose ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is the standard equation of the quadratic equations. To find in nature, we find out a formula, that is b square minus 4ac. If the results of this solution becomes equal to 0, then we call it the root of this equation is real and equal. And if it is the solution of this equation is more than 0, that is more than 0, then the roots are real but unequal. In that case also 2 types are there. If it is say 25, which is a perfect square, then we call it rational. If it is imperfect square like 33, 22, then we call it as a irrational. Another one is it may be less than 0, that is negative, minus of the solution, then it is called as imaginary. Now let's take an example. One of the example, that is x square minus 5x minus 2 equal to 0. Here we will find the nature of the roots. So to find the nature of the roots, we have formula b square minus 4ac. By putting the value of b, this is the b. But in our standard equation it is plus, but here it is minus, so we will assume the b as minus 5 square minus 4a. If there is no number, then we will take 1. Then c is minus 2. So it becomes 25 minus square is positive. So minus and minus is plus 4 to 8. So 25 minus plus 8 is 33, which is greater than 0. Which is greater than 0. So the roots is real, equal and unequal and irrational. I think you got it. So I will try another one equation, that is 3x square minus 7x plus 2 equal to 0. Here to find the nature of the roots, we will see b square minus 4ac. Where the formula is, we put the value, that is minus 7 square minus 4, a is 3, c is 2. 7, 7, 49 minus 40, 12, 12 to 24. That is 25. So this is also greater than 0. This is also greater than 0. So the roots is real, unequal but rational. Why it is rational? Since 25 can be converted into a perfect square. Now let's see another. Let's assume another one. Example, that is 3y square minus plus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. Here indeed we have b square minus 4ac. This we put the value, that is 2 square minus 4a is 3, c also 3. That is 2 square is 4 minus 4 3 12 24. So it becomes minus 20, which is less than 0. So the root is imaginary. So the root is imaginary. So the root is imaginary. Now let me give another one example. That is 9p square minus 6p plus 1 equal to 0. So here b square minus 4c gives minus 6 square minus 4a is 9, c is 1. So it becomes 36 minus 36. So the answer is 0. Here in this case the root is real and equal. I hope you have understood the nature of the roots. Now we will see the solving by factors. How we will solve the factors. Now for that we will take one example. Let us solve by factors. Here we will take one example, that is x square minus 2x minus 35 equal to 0. So in solving these factors, the first coefficient of x square, that is a, and the constant, that is the c, we will multiply. In multiplying 35 into 1 we get 35. So what we will do is that we will factorize this one. We take its prime factors to find the middle term, that is 2 by additions or subtractions. So we will first factorize it. It doesn't go by 2, we will go by 5. 5, 7, 35. Here in this case we will see that 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Again 5 minus 7, when we alter it becomes minus 2. So in this case, which gives you the perfect minus 2 is the second one. So what we will do is that we will take x square minus that is, or we will take this one, 7 minus 5 x minus 35 equal to 0. So we will break this bracket, x square, that is minus 7x minus or minus is plus 5x minus 35 equal to 0. Now the rule says that the first term and the second term you will take the common, and the third term and the fourth term you will take the common. So we cannot break this sign. This is called a parental sign. So what we will do is that we will try to take the common. First one is x square. That is x into x. Next one is 7x. That is 7 into x. Here what is the common? The common is x. What is remaining in the first is x. It is the bracket. Then in between this, what is the sign? Minus. What is remaining? There is 7. Parental sign is the plus. So in this case again 5x means 5 into x. 35 means 5 into 5. What is the common? The common is 1. So what is remain after taking out the common? That is x. Indicating the sign is minus. So next what is remain here is the equal to 0. Again from here also we take out the common, that is x minus. So here it is 7. Minus 7 divided, after taking out the x minus 7 what remains? X plus 5. So what we will do is that from here we take out the value of x, that is x minus 7 equal to 0 or x plus 5 equal to 0. From here we get x is equal to 7 or x is equal to minus 5. Therefore the required solution after factor is 7 and minus 5. Next we will solve by completing square. Let's see how to solve the completing square. We have the quadratic equations of x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, which is equal to these equations. So here what we will do in this formula, we will divide by the first coefficient of x square, that is by x square by, after cancelling by a, it cancels, it makes only x square. Then now we have b by a x plus c by a equal to 0. In this way, when we transform this one, it becomes x square plus 5 by 1. A means 1, so it becomes 5x plus 6 by 1, so it will make 6. So again transforming this, we get x square plus. So we need to bring to the formula, that is a square a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square, whatever the equation demands. But we need to convert into a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. Now we get that for the formula, that is a square plus twice ab plus b square. And here there is 2 for the formula, so we need to bring 2. So if I bring here 2, then I also another put 1 half. That means when we cancel, it becomes the original. Now what happened in this case, I will put 5 again x. So what I will do is that, so this is one new equation. That means for this two we get this one. So for this is for the formula. So this is the new value variable. So what it becomes? It becomes 5 by 2. That means 5 by 2 whole square. That means it becomes a square plus b square. So I have also brought this one from outside. So I need to cancel this. To cancel this, minus 5 by 2 whole square. So as a result, from our equation 6 is here. So if I cancel this one and this one, 2 and this one, 2, so I get 5x, that is which is the original, and 6. So from here what we get is that there is a plus b whole square. Now I will change this one to that side, that is 5 by 2 whole square minus 6. So there is no space. If there is no space, I will write the upper portion. And the upper portion. I will continue from here, that is x plus 5 square become plus minus root over 1 by 4. Why it is plus minus? Because minus also square of minus is also positive and the square of positive is also positive. That is why we put plus or minus, but we do not know the exact transformation of this equation. It may be from positive or negative. So in plus x plus 5 by 2 is equal to plus minus 1 by half. We have taken out the root. That means 4 means 2 square. 2 square and root cancel, 1 square to 1. Now again we need to take the value of x. So when we take the value of x, what will happen? This value we need to transfer that by 2 plus minus half. So it implies x is equal to minus 5 by 2 plus half. Since there is a plus minus or minus 5 by 2 minus half. So I love the upper portion again. So it becomes implies x is equal to minus 5 plus 1 by 2 or minus 5 minus 1 by 2. So it gives minus 4 by 2 or minus 6 by 2. After cancellation it becomes minus 4 minus 2. I hope you got it. So the next question we proceed. And then I am giving you some homeworks on quadratic equations with some questions here on the screens of the blackboard. So you have to solve it and show to me in the next class when you come to the school. Or if you cannot, I will send you in the mileage apps.
Stay home, stay safe.
Do it for self.
Do it for your family. Do it for India.
Let's break the chain of COVID-19.
हम होंगे कामयाब, जय हिंद। हम होंगे कामयाब, जय हिंद।
हम होंगे कामयाब। जय हिंद।